Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to define your curls, and the wig that I'll be using in this video is from Luvme hair. I've worn this hair before. I'm just going to show you guys how to define your curls. This is what the hair looks like. As you can see, the coils are not defined. So to define the coils, I'll be using water, leave-in conditioner and derma brush. So first I'm going to separate the hair into small sections. That way I can get the water and the leave-in conditioner into every strand of the hair. Check and balance it. No one bad man see. Check and balance it. You put me on the low. So first I'm going to damp the hair with water before applying the leave-in conditioner. So this is the amount of leave-in conditioner that I applied on that first section of the hair. And after massaging this into the hair, I'm going to use my derma brush to detangle it, starting from the tip and work my way to the top. And I'll be repeating the same process on each section of the hair.
Vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city trying to find my way. Vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city trying to find my way. Them done they look in my face. Got a bad man going insane. Mona Lisa, trying to please her. Fashionista, get the visa. Mona Lisa, with a sister, trying to please her, be a mister. If you want a real one, then you got a real one. That's why you know, say you a keep a bad man running. If you want a real one, then you got a real one. That's why you know, say you a keep a bad man coming. Nah, nah, nah. Girl, bad man, they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make it groove, make you move to my play. You a got a rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you a set the house a play. Vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city trying to find my way. Vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city trying to find my way. Original bad man. Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Likes jigger, can mess with her. One mega, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter. No pattern. Give me anyhow you feel I'm Omoni. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me.
So gently, kiss my lips so gently, rub my back so gently, my back so gently, oh so gently, in my mentally, kiss my right original, one by one right next to me.
So guys, this is a 4x4 highlight closure wig with 4C edges. I'm also applying that same leave-in conditioner on the edges to define the curls.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling, I'm in my feelings, Batman me I handle my dealings, ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me, man I really complex, them man them I really can test me, way I put it down, Jagaban them I call me number one, understand man I put them on the run, can't understand never putting on the show on the road, man I give them on the go on the pole, man I ringing up the show on the low, man I killing up the show let them know, man I cooking up the flow, I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling.
So now that I'm done applying the product on the hair, I'm going to leave it on the canvas head and allow it to air dry. So this is the next day and this is what the hair looks like. At this point the hair does look a bit stiff and all the coils are like put together, so I'm going to use my palm to loosen up the coils, and as you can see in this video I'm doing it very gently. You really want to do it very gently, that way you don't mess up with the coils. So this is what the hair looks like. And you can see the 4C edges that comes with this hair. It makes it look even more realistic. So that's basically all that I did for this hair. Like I said before, this hair is from Luvme hair. I will leave the link in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.